The standard EditMate uploader is free for everyone to use. Or if you're on a premium or enterprise plan, you can design a custom uploader to match your business or brand. To design your own custom uploader, you'll click on Custom Uploaders on the left-hand menu, and then choose Create New. Next, you'll choose a title. This is only for your reference. This isn't something that will show up on the custom uploader, so I'll call this Sample. Then, for the custom URL, you'll choose a name, something that has to do with your business or the specific campaign that you're creating this uploader for. This will be the URL that people will go to use your uploader and contribute videos to your projects. I will choose Example here. Click Create. As you can see on the left-hand side, there's all the options you can use to customize your uploader. On the right side, there's the preview of the uploader. We have the EditMate uploader as a template, so you can see what you're adjusting. To start, you can choose a project that this uploader can be affiliated with. That will preload the hashtag in that project into your uploader, so videos will automatically get uploaded to that project. Or if you want this uploader to be used for a variety of different hashtags or projects, you could just leave this blank. Next, for the terms and conditions. You can either use the EditMate standard terms and conditions, which you can find at editmate.com/terms-conditions, or it can provide a link to your own terms and conditions if you want to host that on your website. Now for the fun part, customizing your uploader. The first thing I'm going to do is change the background color. Here you can either put in the number hex code or you can use the color picker. I'm just going to make this white. For the body text, I'm going to make this a red and select this font. For the header, I'll make this green and use that same font as before. For the button color, I'll also make this green and keep my fonts consistent. Lastly, I'm going to upload my logo to replace the EditMate logo. All the uploaders automatically ask for the contributor's email address, but if you want to collect additional information, you can select up to 3 fields. You can do name, location, custom message, video description, or choose Other to type in your own data field. I'm going to add name, so contributor names will be included when they upload a video. Now when I'm all done, everything automatically saves, so I can just click on the custom URL here to check out what it looks like. This is all live, ready to go, ready to be used. I can add in a hashtag for a project, write my email address, my name. I will select a photo here or video, agree to the terms and conditions, upload files. Then my file has been uploaded. And if I go back to the projects and refresh, I can see that my file I just uploaded is now there.